Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to drive a Ferrari F8 easy method. Start by adjusting the seat, mirrors, and steering wheel for comfort and visibility, then fasten your seatbelt. Learn to use the Manettino dial to select the correct driving mode and keep traction control available when learning. Practice finding neutral, reverse, and first gear while stationary to avoid surprises. Stay calm and focused as you get familiar with pedal feel and engine response. Warm the engine until idle settles before moving to protect turbochargers and drivetrain. Release the clutch smoothly while applying gentle throttle to prevent lurching, and use light, precise steering inputs at low speed. Practice hill starts and tight maneuvers in a safe, empty lot to build confidence. Learn brake sensitivity and ABS engagement so you can stop predictably. These habits build a safe, controlled foundation before exploring higher speeds or sport modes. When accelerating, use firm but measured throttle inputs to feel the car's responsiveness without oversteer. Employ the paddles for manual control, but allow the gearbox to finish each shift cleanly to avoid drivetrain shock. Practice rev matching for downshifts to keep the car balanced under braking and corner entry. In sport mode, the Ferrari responds quickly, so modulate inputs and increase margin for error in poor grip conditions to stay safe and confident.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.